Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. This is our flute lesson, and today we're going to learn how to apply vibrato. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. So first things first, you have to make sure that your flute sounds are solid tones now. So if you're still struggling to get your notes strong and solid, come back to this video later. So a strong solid note would sound like this. It's nice, strong, even. I'm able to hold it out. It's not like I'm not trying to figure out where it lands. It's not airy, it's not up and down octaves or anything else wild. It's just nice, strong, and solid. So make sure you have that down first. After you have this down and you're ready to learn this, it still takes a lot. The most common times that we use vibrato is the longer notes. And vibrato, if you're not sure what it is, it's just the change of pitch and stuff. So it's hard for me to explain. Here, I'll just show it to you. That is vibrato. So you hear how it goes wah, 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 wah. That's what it is. Now, there's several people who do it through the throat. That's not the recommended way. So remember how I had us keep breathing from the diaphragm? We're going to use our diaphragm now to control our vibrato. So you want it to be like okay? I don't know how well you can hear that, but you want to just imagine, your air going. Okay? So go ahead and try that. Just try using the diaphragm. And then try it with your flute and see how it is. Great, you want it to be nice, solid, in control, most importantly though. So you just got to take your air in and then fluctuate the diaphragm a little bit. I know it sounds funny, but that's just how it is when I'm just push it from the diaphragm. And then just blow it into your flute. This is something that's just going to strictly take practice. There's no cheating, there's no easy way, it just takes practice. But a lot of times where we use vibrato is, like I said, the longer notes, so it would be like this. So longer notes is where it's held. So just take time to just really get, your solid tones and feels, get comfortable with it, and then start throwing it in your music when you're actually playing. So start off, just like maybe B flat. You could do vibrato on any note. So all you have to do is just practice it, use your diaphragm, just feel it. You can even just feel it just doing that. Just put your hand on your tummy, you can feel the diaphragm pushing in and out, in and out. That's what you want. So just take some time to practice. Let me know if you have any further questions and I would be glad to assist. It's just a little hard one to just explain through the screen, so if you need help, I'd be glad to help you out even further. All right, thanks for joining me, and until next time.